We are now at our second destination. We are at Chimney Bluffs State Park. So we just arrived and we parked in the parking lot and we have to pay at the pay area. So here it is. Join me as I figure this out. $5 to park until 11:59. Insert bills. Insert card. Okay. Insert here. Please remove card quickly. Authorizing. Thank you. Collect ticket below. Okay, no overnight parking. I think you have to put this on the, this side up on the dashboard. Hold on. Yeah, where are we? Siguro ito.
At the same time, away from people. Diba? Makapagsunog pa ako.
Nare-refresh yung gawain mo ng bata ka, ano?
Pero bumili din kayo ng fish na aking iihawin. O kahit man lang iluluto. Para magkanin din tayo bukas.
Park lang ata to. Tara. Let's go to next. So, there are 2 parking lots in this state park. And we went to the, how should I say it? To the one na hindi kita yung mga bluffs. So, we are going back to the parking lot and go straight to dun sa another parking lot that will take us to the bluffs. So this is the other parking lot, but I don't think we are near the bluffs yet. I don't think we'll be able to see the bluffs, and it's so hot, guys. But we're on the edge of the sea. Edge of the land. Fish, guys, so huge. Grabe, ang laki niya. Ano nyo ba makita here? Ito yung shoes ko. Oh. We're walking along the beach now. But the bluffs is out there. There, oh. So there's the Chimney Bluffs. There's a lot over there. So guys, we still didn't see the bluffs. Or the spot that I wanted to have a picture on. And we saw this sign. We saw this trail and then we saw this sign. It says that part of the bluff trail is closed. You can walk from here to the treatment area because I think they're treating some trees from invasive species. And when you reach that, hopefully after the bluffs area. Why are they so dark? There, I think, much better. So we're hiking this one. Ang ganda! Tignan nyo naman, oh. Talagang provided yung trails. So we're at the top. Pero para kasing nandito na yung Chimney Bluffs eh. Do you wanna continue?
Flat na rin naman, di ba? Flat?
Apa. So we'll try to walk a little more until we reach the end of this trail. So, parang kasing sinaraduhan na nila, oh. Yan, oh, may net na. There we go, guys. Those are the Chimney Bluffs. Possible kaya ano dun? Let's see. I think I found the spot, but wala na atang way para makapunta. Oh, it's so sharp. Let's see. Maybe there's a way. There is a way, guys. There's a way. There you go. Huh. So pretty. So I found this spot, but maybe yung nakita ko mga pictures are way back And allowed pa pumunta sa bluffs. Pero I think right now, hindi na siya allowed. Or maybe allowed, not allowed, pero pumupunta yung mga tourists just to take pictures. Pero maganda siya, oh. And you have the view of the ocean over there. And so beautiful. Ano nga bang ocean yan? I think it's not an ocean. I think it's a lake. Take picture. We just took some pictures. And then we're going down now. And our next destination is Rochester. We're going to eat there. Buy some supplies for our next camping site. And then we will try to reach I'm going to butcher this again. Letchworth State Park. Yes. So, see you on the road. Where's the hot falls? There it is. You know. That's a huge waterfall. And it's right in the center of Rochester town. Oh, there's a train! 20 years in the making. 20,000 years pala. Okay guys, so we're here now at High Falls in Rochester town. There you go. You can see it. It is right in the center of the Rochester town. It's so beautiful. Talagang daming water. So the only hard part is dito sa Rochester, it's so hard to look for a parking. Anywhere na you can park, you have to pay at least $3 or $2 up. Kaya kami lang ni Mama bumaba kasi si Papa is nagpapahinga din sa car.
Ito lang?
Buksan nyo nga. Ito pa yan? I see my cheese. Nag-record. We stocked up on supplies and we are going to our next campsite, Letchworth State Park. Stay tuned for my next vlog because that will be all about Letchworth State Park. Paano nga to? Ito pa ganito.
Tapos, kuhanin ito.
Processing to remove your car. Ano to? Unleaded na?
Oo.
Twist lift nozzle. So like great. Yan, dapat ganyan.
Yung doon wala eh. Unfriendly, di ba?
Yan, nag-fuel na.
Dapat pala dito tayo mag-gas apply.
Walmart.
359, yun, 415, di ba? 4 something. Tama na?
Pinipress mo ba?
Oo.
Hindi ba automatic?
Dapat.
Yun. Hindi mo siya inag-ag.
Hindi. Balik na.
Balik mo.
Anong sabi dyan?
Oh no, walang resibo. 39.93. One moment please. Let's go! State Park?
Visitor center, doon pa sa konto.
Registration. Left ka na.
Continue for 1 mile.
We have arrived at Letchworth State Park. We are late arrival campers. So, like, close na yung kanilang visitors area. So, buti na lang may state park rangers and he assisted us. And I forgot what our campsite is, but we rented 507 in front of the comfort room or the restroom because, you know, senior citizens need to be near restrooms. Next thing to do, we will set up our camp. This is a large state park, guys. So excited to explore it tomorrow. So let's set up camp and here's the time lapse. Guys, it's night here. My dad's still burning some fire. There's the fire. There we go. That was the tent namin. Look, guys. Let's look. I thought it's a leech. Maybe it's a leech.